So first of all, here we can see that ESP is connected on 192.168.43.89 IP, which has been assigned by DHCP router. So and the port number is 9998, you can see here. So on the top of that I have the HTML file running the demo for representing the WebSocket server connection with ESP. So what we are going to do is that we are going to connect it. Okay, fine. So our computer has been connected to the ESP, and we can see the status in the terminal, which shows that 192.168.43.197, which is the IP of my PC, has joined the ESP server, web server. So what now I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this LED image, and I'll show you that whenever I switch off this LED here on HTML file, the LED on actual board is also turned off, and vice versa. So let's try. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, you just watch that LED is off. This is the actually, by the way, DOIT V1 kit, V1 development kit for ESP32, and here you can see that the status of this image has changed. Previously it was bright and now it's dull. So again I'm going to click it. So now it is bright, and at the same time the blue LED is on. Another part of the demo is that I'm going to use the switch, which is button, which is on this board, and this button is the boot, where it is written the boot notation. So now I'm going to press it, and whenever this button is used for actually both switching on and off this LED. So as you can see that I'm going to press it, and at the same time the status of the LED image, which is in HTML, will also change accordingly. So let's do it. So as you see that once I press the boot button, the LED is turned off. Now here you can also see that the image has gone dull, and I'm also again going to switch the LED on, and at the same time the status will be updated. So let's do it. You can see that using the WebSocket communication, this button has updated the status on the HTML